Welcome to our chapter 7. Konting kembot na lang, malapit na tayo matapos. Okay? So, tingnan nyo naman, if you have not done anything with the past 2 months, wala rin kayong achieve. So, ngayon, you will be achieving something na talagang pinaghirapan nyo din naman. Okay? Right. So, please do your attendance. I hope nag-attendance na kayo. So, ang aim natin for this chapter is to equip with the essentials ng Canva and make you acquire foundational knowledge. Foundational knowledge lang naman para makapag-advance kayo. Okay? And make you be able to confidently use diverse applications. Okay? Right. So, unang gagawin ninyo, first thing you have to do, pag wala pa kayong Canva, may nagka-Canva na ba sa inyo or wala pa? Aside from the profile that you did last time, may
Meron
ginawa
po.
na ba kayong iba?
Ay,
Yung profile
I
pa lang ang
tried.
nagawa niyo sa Canva?
I'm
Okay.
using Canva po.
Sino yon?
Janice po.
Miss Janice. O, sige, hindi mahirapan si Miss Janice. Okay. Very good. So, pag wala kayong pro, okay, please get a free trial. Okay? Mura lang naman, around, I think, 5 KD yung pro. Pero it's very helpful naman. So, I advise you to get it. Pag wala, please get a free trial para ma-achieve or magamit ninyo yung mga items inside the Canva. Kasi pag hindi kayo naka-pro, limited yung access nyo sa mga magagandang items na kailangan nyo or gusto ninyong gamitin. Alright? So, I advise you to please get a free trial. I-cancel nyo na lang yung payment pag ayaw nyong ituloy. Okay? Kung ayaw nyong ma-deduct sa inyong account. Okay? So, all you need to do is start the free trial, click that one, and click on Canva Pro and try it for 30 days. Lagay nyo yung account number ninyo, and then that's it. Tapos i-cancel nyo na lang pag naka-receive kayo ng email for cancellation or continuing your accounts. Okay? So ito yung template, interface ng Canva. And we will be trying to do all of this. So nagawa nyo na yung inyong resume or yung profile ninyo. Okay? So let's start with the photo editor. Okay? So madali lang naman yung photo editor. At the good thing with Canva is you can use a lot of things and options. Okay, and you start enjoying it once you are able to use it. I think Miss Janice would agree with me. Okay, so start tayo. Ang unang gagawin niyo would be, syempre, kailangan natin mag-edit ng photos for our social media accounts, no? So, pag tinanong kayo ng client niyo to make a social media post, dapat marunong kayo mag-edit ng photos. Okay? Kasi dito you can do almost all everything. Okay, so let's start with the photo editor. So, syempre, punta lang kayo sa photo editor and you click your upload button and upload your pictures na gusto nyong i-edit. So, in this case, syempre, magka-crop muna tayo para matanggal yung mga hindi natin gusto dyan. Yeah, then you can do the free-form original and all, and then click on done. Tapos na. So, madali lang. Okay? Then, you can use some auto adjustments. Pwede nyo ring palitan yung temperature to make it warmer. Okay? Just click on auto adjust. It will do the work. Okay? So, I'll let you maneuver that later. Okay? Pero kailangan may magamit kayo na background remover. Okay? So, madali lang naman. You can go to the Magic Studio. Or pag click nyo yung picture, may lalabas dyan na parang line wherein there is a background remover which is BG remover. So, madali lang. You just click on that at matatanggal na yung background. O, di ba? So, you don't need to be a graphic designer. Andiyan na lahat. So, just click on BG remover. Pero hindi ito mag-work pag hindi ka naka-pro. Kaya sabi ko kanina sa una, you have to first go for a pro. Kasi hindi siya mag-work pag wala kayong pro. Okay? So, madali na lang remove ng background. Okay? Alright. So, moving on tayo. So, ang things that you have to remember in Canva is, kahit hindi kayo designer, you'll be able to learn things. Okay? Yung balance. Okay? Balance ng picture, balance ng elements. Right? At saka, syempre, yung colors. Di ba? Kailangan may hierarchy. Organizing your visual elements in a guide that will seek attention or garner attention from your viewers. So, matututunan nyo yan as you use Canva itself. At saka, syempre, gagamit din kayo ng contrast if you want to emphasize something na very important. Okay, creating a visual interest through opposite elements. Okay, so matututunan nyo yan as you move on and use it. Okay, so hindi naman ako artist or hindi naman ako designer, but Canva is designed for everybody, kahit sa beginner. Okay, so learn to use the editing tools. The first thing you have to do in this activity is to create a poster. So, click nyo lang kasi pag click nyo yung create new, lalabas yung mga options like education, presentation, social media. Click on classroom poster. Yun ang inyong first task. Okay? Then, you can click on any template. Tapos, ganun lang. Okay? Wala akong dinesign whatsoever. Okay? So, madali lang. So, click nyo lang yung education and then poster. Tapos, lalabas na lahat ng template. You choose whatever template you like. Then, you can edit the details. Palitan nyo yung date, palitan nyo yung logo, etc. Okay? I will help you out as we move on. But it's really easy. Okay? Then, afterwards, after editing, pwede nyo na siya i-download. Depending on the type of the file that you like to download. Is it PDF, PNG, etc. Okay? Pwede na rin kayo diretso mag-send through your social media accounts here. Automatic na yan siyang magpo-post doon. Okay? And you can use AI for captions. So, madali-dali ang life as a VA pag ginawa kayong in charge of the social media account. So, what you do when you want to make a presentation is to just click on open menu, then click on create. Okay? Then, piliin nyo yung presentation. Afterwards, lalabas na yung mga templates for presentation. So, ulit, gagawin nyo lang yung short description for the type of brand that represents your company. For example, here, brand presentation. So, it's all about presenting your business. So, ganyan. Ilalagay nyo doon sa description, brand presentation. And from that, bibigyan kayo ng mga templates that are about brand presentation. Then, you can choose your template. Then, click on apply 10 pages. Ibig sabihin niya, apply niya lahat ng mga 10 pages that are designed for the whole of it. So, nandyan na lahat. I-edit nyo na lang yung inyong tawag dito. Yung inyong logo, okay, your website name, etc. At saka kung meron kayo idadagdag na products of your own. Okay? So, click on apply 10 to 15 pages para mailagay lahat sa slides nyo. Now, syempre, you have to think about the brand that you have. Ano yung color palette ng brand nyo? Okay, kung medyo colorful, dapat pipili kayo ng palette that is colorful. So, it will show you as well options there. You can just easily click on that. Okay, I will guide you through it, so don't worry. I'll help you kung hindi nyo masundan. Okay, let's go naman sa social media. So, ang task ko ninyo is to create an Instagram post. So, una is poster, tapos dito naman sa social media is for Instagram, Facebook. Okay, so syempre meron na rin dyan Instagram post kasi naka-design na siya for 4x5 kasi nga sa phone talaga yan siya. So, pipiliin nyo yung Instagram post. Alright? So, gagawa kayo ng Instagram post for your Facebook page. Naalala nyo, gumawa kayo ng Facebook page. So, doon nyo siya ipopost. Okay? So, gagamitin nyo dapat yung same email address na ginamit ninyo sa Canva at saka sa Facebook page para automatic niya yan siya ida-direct na ipopost. Okay? Kasi pag magkaibang account yung ginamit ninyo, hindi siya makakapag automatically post. Okay? So, itong mga to, pinalitan ko lang yung details sa loob. Medyo naglagay lang ako ng konting edit sa text at saka naglagay ng logo. So actually, nandyan na yan siya lahat. So everything is there. May mga template, pipili ka lang. Madali-dali ang life as a VA. So ang gagawin ninyo, after selecting that Instagram post, marami na yan siyang mga templates again to use it. Then you just click on share. Okay? Tapos, click nyo yung Instagram, so it will automatically post it in your Instagram. So, it should look like this. Okay? So, syempre, pag nag-post kayo, maglalagay kayo ng caption. Okay? And we have learned that the hashtag should be at least 10 to 15 para madali kayong makita sa social media. There should be visibility through your hashtags. Okay? Then, i-click nyo na yung share. Okay? So, makita nyo naman, diretso na siyang divert na siya, magdidiretso na siya sa Instagram. So, ayan yung aking Instagram account or my business. And diretso na rin siyang na-post. So, hindi na ako nagpunta sa Instagram. I just used Canva. Okay? I hope that's clear. So, meron ding video doon. So, madali-dali na lang din ang work. So, syempre, pag may video, may music. Di ba? May music siya. Okay, meron ding transition, which is also available sa TikTok. Pero let's focus first in Canva. Okay, so anyway, this is a video which I posted in TikTok at saka sa Instagram. Okay, so
Yes, so shots is wish I could do it. This isn't real life.
okay, so yan yung student ko na nag-avail ng aking merch. So yan, nag-send siya ng photos. So ginawan ko lang siya ng video, which is also a template given by TikTok. So madali na lang. So dinownload ko lang tapos in-upload ko sa Instagram. O, di ba? So madali-dali ang life as VA pag ginawa kayong in charge of the social media platform of your client. So you can do some cross-posting on all your social media accounts. Ibig sabihin, pwede na siyang magdiretso to do that sa Facebook. Ang gagawin nyo lang is you go to your account, click nyo yung profile picture, then you go to settings and privacy. After that, pipiliin ninyo, kung hindi pa nakakonect yung Instagram niyo, you have to connect. Alright? So, you go to your profile, click nyo yung picture, then you have to go to settings, then hanapin niyo yung linked accounts, then pag hindi yan nakakonect sa Instagram niyo, kailangan yung i-connect. So, you can do some cross-posting. Okay? So, Instagram is not connected here, so I have to click on the Instagram, so it will connect. Okay, automatically nakakonect na yung WhatsApp kung ginagamit yung phone number is that's it. Okay, then you connect accounts, diretso na lang yan siya. Then it will tell you na nakakonect na yung iyong Instagram account. So you can actually see the message of Instagram doon sa inyong Facebook. Okay, so in your Instagram, okay, you have to log in through your Facebook. So, just log in as ICSA Merch. Ibig sabihin, gagamitin ninyo yung account nyo sa isang social media to the other social media. And you have to choose business because that's a business account that you're creating. Then, i-click nyo lang yung prompt, dire-diretso na yan. So, next, then you choose your category. Okay? And then, i-switch nyo siya into a professional account. Okay? Kasi pag professional accounts, naka-design siya for business. Okay? And it will give you lots of options and click done. Okay? So, makikita nyo na yan sa Facebook ninyo, may dalawa na kayong portfolio in your Facebook. Meron kayong Facebook at saka Instagram. Ibig sabihin, nakakonect na yan siya. So, you just click on continue. Okay? Tapos, done. So, nakakonect na yung inyong social media accounts. So, you can now do some cross-posting. Okay? So, pwede nyo na yan siya magawan ng design from Canva. Okay? So, diretso lang, same thing. Share to, pag maalala nyo, nag-post ako kanina dun sa Instagram, no? So, from the Instagram, I can share it directly to my Facebook. So, hindi na ako uulit na magpupunta sa Facebook and upload it. So, I'll just go to my post in Instagram and click on share to my Facebook. Diba? Tapos, automatically na yan siya. Magpo-post din sa aking Facebook. Okay? Right. So, next thing is, syempre, gagawa din tayo ng cover. Yung cover ng ating Facebook. Diba? Sa Facebook natin, meron tayong cover tsaka yung profile picture. So, all you need to do is to go to your social media, to your Canva and click on social media again. Okay? Tapos, pipiliin nyo yung Facebook cover, which is designed for Facebook talaga. So, hindi nyo na kailangan palitan yung size, hindi na kayo mag-worry kasi it will automatically fix it for a landscape settings. Okay? Right. So, bibigyan din kayo ng templates. So, you just choose your choice, which is nearest to the color palette of your business. And then choose, tapos you can edit the pictures if you like. Okay? Choose the template. And then, you can download it and use it as your Facebook page. Or you can directly click on Facebook page. Automatic na din yan siya maipopost sa inyong Facebook. Okay? Then, it will give you prepare new design. Okay? Tapos, antayin nyo lang. Just be a little bit patient. Then, mapapublish na siya. So, pag nakalagay na post-publish, ibig sabihin, napalitan na niya yung Facebook cover ninyo. So, all you need to do is to check out the post para makita ninyo kung okay ba or happy kayo. So, it will look like this. Di ba? So, from Canva, dinesign ko yung Facebook cover, tapos diretso na niyang pinalitan. Okay? So, madali-dali yung work natin as VA pag in-charge tayo sa social media accounts ng client. Okay? So, Also, you need to create your Instagram post. Sabi ko nga, gagamitin nyo lang yung Instagram post na 4.5. Okay? So, here, bibigyan din kayo ng template. So, you can just choose the template as you like. Ang daming templates. So, for example, here, I'm going to make a promotional post about our January winter sale. So, pipili ako ng template about winter, which is on the previous page. Kita nyo naman, di ba? Dami dyan sa sa previous page. So, pinili ko lang yung January. Tapos, inedit ko ng konti. Nilagyan ko siya ng letters or text na may iba-ibang font style, which is buy one, take one. Then, you can just change some details kasi nandun na yung backdrop. And then, just put your logo and done. And do the same thing. Ipopost nyo na lang din ulit sa inyong social media accounts. So, i-share nyo siya sa Instagram. So, you just click on share and then click nyo lang yung Instagram logos na nasa Canva rin yan. Kasi nga nakakonect na yan siya, then it will automatically open and divert it to your Instagram accounts. If it's not yet connected, you have to connect your Instagram to your Canva. Okay? Then, if you do not have a pro account, take a screenshot and post it in your social media. So, makikita nyo yung difference pag wala kayong pro account. Okay? Pag wala kayong pro account, hindi nyo siya ma-automatic na may share. Then, all you need to do is maybe download it or take a screenshot. So what's important is you make an ad using Canva and post it in your social media account. Okay? And then you can also make a video in Canva. That is your task 4. Create or edit a video in Canva. So punta lang ulit kayo sa interface and click on video. Okay? Tapos dyan, meron din siya mga templates. Okay? So choose your video templates. So madali na lang gumawa. So since it's winter time at napakalamig, you can choose a winter themed ad. So, ito, pinili ko si winter sale. Okay? So, once you click on that, automatic na yung maglalagay ng short video. And then, you can add your audio if you like. You can add some elements. Pwede kayo maglagay ng pictures. You can add another video on top of it or beside it. And so on and so forth. So, pag gusto niyo mag-add ng clip, pwede rin. So, if you want to add a voice over, pwede rin. So, you can click on record here. Okay? I-click nyo lang yung add audio and then record. Then, pwede na kayong mag-click ng finish, then it will automatically be together with the editing. So, para lang siyang CapCut at saka mga iba pang editor, no? So, then you can check, and this is how it is with me when I made the voiceover. Nyo lang talaga ng knowledge on how to do it. Okay? Right. Tapos, syempre, gagawa rin kayo ng presentation. Importante to kasi pag pinagawa kayo it's either you choose Canva or you choose Prezi. So, nasa sa inyo yan. Pag pinagawa kayo ni client ng presentation about something, you can always use Prezi. You can also use Canva. Okay, but for me, I prefer Canva kasi mas meron akong personal touch. Okay? Okay. So, create a presentation. Click on presentations and then type ninyo business profile. And from the business profile, it will give you templates about business profile. And again, kiklik niyo yung apply all 10 pages para mabigyan kayo ng templates about business profiles. Then, continue editing. No? Click nyo lang ulit yung apply 10 pag happy na kayo dun sa template. Okay? Then, you can change the fonts by clicking on the text itself muna. Tapos, you click on handwriting. Kung gusto nyong handwriting, pwede rin corporate, pwedeng display. If you don't like it, kung ano lang yung recommended fonts, nandyan na din. Okay? So, madali na lang. Then, you click on the font style that you like. Automatic na rin mag-change. Okay? So, i-maneuver ninyo yung mga options dyan. If you want to put some pictures in your presentation, pwede din naman. So, you just click on upload files. Click nyo lang yung upload and then upload files. Then, sabi nga natin, we can edit photos directly from the PowerPoint presentation. You just click on background remover. And again, I told you, hindi yan siya maggagana pag wala kayong pro account. So, please get a free trial for 0 KD. Okay? So, syempre, ang mangyayari dyan, matatanggal na yung background. Syempre, yung presentation dapat mag-uuna yung meron kayong introduction about yourself. Yan. Okay? So, madali-dali na lang. Isang click lang natanggal na yung background. Okay? Sa normal na PowerPoint presentation, you have to select which which areas has to be kept, which areas has to be deleted. So dito, isang click lang. Okay? Na kung gusto nyo magdagdag ng mga elements, just click on elements. Okay? Dun sa elements na yan, bibigyan kayo ng lahat ng mga gusto ninyong. Anything under the sun that you could think of. So click on elements. Halimbawa, gusto ko maglagay ng confetti. So I'll say elements, then I'll type confetti. Then I'll click on graphics para maganda-ganda, para siyang cartoonish. Okay? Pag gusto niyo ng photos, pwede din naman. And then I'll click on this arrow here sa kanan para meron akong choice to have some animated one or statics. Pag animated, gumagalaw. Okay? Pag static, hindi gumagalaw. Parang picture lang siya. So I wanted a confetti na animated. So i-click nyo dapat yung may check dapat yung animated. Okay? And then choose the one that you like. So it will be like that. Okay? Pag gusto nyong tanggalin, there's always a button there to delete, or gusto nyong i-double or i-copy, click on plus. So you can go back to this lecture later dun sa recorded version if you cannot follow, okay? Then of course, pwede nyo rin siya i-animate as a PowerPoint presentation. Click nyo lang yung text, and then if you can choose it for appear on click, or you can choose some animations on the left side. Marami ding options dyan. Okay? Para lang siyang normal din na PowerPoint presentation, pero mag-a-adjust kayo kung sanay kayo sa PowerPoint. Then you choose the pictures that you like. Change the background color if you like by clicking on that button, katabi ng animate, then choose the palette that you like, and that's it. Madali lang. Now, exploring the text styles, i-click nyo lang yung letter T na merong text sa ilalim. It will go and give you a lot of templates ng mga letters na gusto nyong gamitin. Click on one, and it will give you. Okay? Then, after you're done with your presentation, you can click on download or share. Okay? And then decide on what you want to do in the file type. So, ito yung mga gagawin niyo for this chapter 7. Let's start with the Instagram post. Okay? So, any questions? You can share your screen and we'll start doing that. Okay? Right.